Hey guys, it's Jeff. What better to do on a hot afternoon than test out bass and guitar amp equipment? I wanted to show you guys the Royal Blood guitar sound, bass sound that I've been messing around with. Here's the pedal setup. We've got, the only things that I'm going to be running right now are the Micropog and Switchblade Plus. Micropog is the octave generator, which allows you to go octave up. I'm going pretty much 100% a wet sound. The Switchblade Plus allows me to go A or B, or A and B, switching on and off guitar and bass sound as needed. Got the little baby crate, garage sale guitar amp. Got my normal Fender Rumble 500, and I want to play these a metal song for you guys to check out. Let's try it. I'm gonna set the phone down. Here's the bass sound. Here's the guitar sound. Here's both of them.